Potato soup recipe. No, friend, I have something better. This is ultimate food for all your Slav needs. Baked potato and kefir. Lunch, dinner, breakfast, dessert, and pre-dinner snack all in one. What is it called? What isn't it called? I call it cultured potatoes or cultured kartoffel. I know I have been talking many years. That leftover culture simply does not exist in Eastern Europe. Or, let's be honest, anywhere outside of the states of United America. But in my haste to educate the world of the Slavic ways of the chick-briki, I did forget about the one, the only, the lifeblood of the Slav man, the potato. If there is anything ever left over from a big meal or just a party of significant size, it is potato. Boiled, fried, baked, grilled, it doesn't matter. Very often you do find yourself with more cooked potato in your possession than you have stomachs to fill. You disagree? Come fight me 1v1 in the comments, suka. This meal has been such a common occurrence in my life that I forgot to even mention it exists. It's like drinking water, breathing air, or squatting in the bus stop. You take potato. Normally you would have this cooked, refrigerated, already turning slightly blue. But since I did not have party in the last week, I am privileged to make these potatoes from scratch. Step 1. Peel the potatoes. Step 2. Cook the potato peeled. No wait, it's another recipe. Step 3. Boil the potato. Wait until potato is boiled. You can check this by poking knife into it. If knife go in very smooth, potato is done. If potato start fighting back and give you a black eye, it's not quite done yet. Give it few more minutes. I suggest boiling the potato in salty water. It make all the difference. It's like seeing colors for first time. Green, blue, sometimes red. No, always red. Rescue the potato from water. Take the potatoes and cut them into favorable shapes. Or maybe wait 10-5 minutes. If you still have feeling left in your hands from playing too much accordion, slap the potatoes onto baking tray. Some oil on top if you have it, I do not. Season with more salt if you like, and let the trimmings of the green bush, Anethum graveolens, or in other words, leaves of the very popular herb, Camera dill. Insert the mix into oven 180 degrees or 453 Kelvin for the normal people and leave it there until brown, or maybe 30 minutes. Because until brown is not a very scientific approach to this essential Slavic recipe. In the meantime, practice your squatting skills in front of the oven and remember, squats on toes break your bones, but squat on heel, the Slav is real. Remove the potential devices from the oven and now you end up in a very strange position. Leftover food, it is usually cold, but this blin is hot as a Russian banya in middle of summer. So what, refrigerate and cool down? Нет! Throw them straight into the cold kefir. More dill on the top and you're ready. Now, kefir, she likes to come unseasoned from the shop. It is no good. Go explore your spice rack and bring back even more salt. Rain the salt on top and you're ready. Serve with a fork or eat with a spoon or bowl, ladle, colander, whatever is your preferred method of transportation of the glorious Slavic flavors into your face hole. Do not forget to go work in the field for a few hours to work off all the extra energy you have created, or just dance to hard bass for 5 minutes. Now if you find yourself in a situation where you have raw potato and not leftover baked potato, just like I had right now, you're free to take on the second challenge. I call this cultured potato stew, revenge of the starched one. You take the raw potato, peeled of course, take the peels and bake the... No wait, it's another recipe. Grate the raw potato in the bowl, rinse out some of the water, salt, pepper, flour, 1 egg and the delicious kefir. Fry in butter. Ooh, it is ready. You can always mix something with something. Remember, in a Slavic household, there is no such thing as lack of ingredients. There is only the lack of effort. So put on your shankas and balaclavas, my friends, because summer is here and field work needs doing. Stay strong, stay healthy, eat more potato. Go buy the Life of Boris cookbook if you need something to put under your pillow at night. And most of all, stay chick-breaky. I see you in next video. Блин.